All right, you guys, on this quick video, I'm going to give you 5 simple tips to help generate more money in your cleaning company. All right. So number 1, the first tip, I got to get it out the way. It is to ask for the referrals. Okay. I just want to get that one out the way. I know y'all know about referrals, but referrals actually helped me grow my cleaning business back in 2018 when I first started. I got so many referrals because people just they like my personality, they love my cleaning, my value, and they referred me to other people. Okay, so getting referrals. Let's just get that one out the way. Number 2 is renegotiate all of your contracts. Okay, so all of the contracts, and this is really something you should have done at the end of each year. You should renegotiate all of your contracts and just go up a little bit, at least I would say 10, 15%, 20 is that sweet spot. Okay. But go up on your prices because as inflation rises, you need to rise as well. Okay. Inflation ain't going nowhere. As a matter of fact, it's at the highest it's ever been right now. I'm pretty sure you know, due to rent, car notes, everything is sky high. So raise your prices, renegotiate all of your contracts. All right. Number 3 is make sure that you are shopping for the best prices. Okay. For anything in your cleaning company. If you're buying bleach and you're used to buying bleach, the bleach costs $3.75. Go shopping for the bleach that costs 97 cents. Okay, go with the one that costs 97 cents. So just take some time out and map out all of your supplies, map out even your insurance, especially your insurance. Make sure that you are shopping with the best prices. Don't just go with any old thing. This was one of my bad habits in the beginning. I would just get the insurance, just get it and let's go. I'm ready to work. Okay, but wasn't realizing, am I really getting the best quality for the best price? Really? I'm not saying just low ball and get some old cheesy quality either. You really want to get the best quality for the lowest price. Okay, so make sure that you go through everything that you're buying and shop for the best. All right. Next is another way to generate some revenue for 2023 is to wear conversation starter shirts. I like to wear shirts like this. This says Airbnb Land. We actually sell cleaning business shirts. Okay, I have to put my little plug in there. I have shirts that say Airbnb. We clean Airbnbs. Okay, I got a shirt that says proud cleaning business owner. Okay, so I wear these shirts on the daily. I don't wear anything else. I'm not wearing Gucci, Louis, all that stuff. I'm not into that. I wear conversation starter shirts. It's been times when someone might see my shirt and they'll come up to me and say, "Oh, so you clean Airbnbs?" And we'll start talking and I'll give them my card. Okay, so wear conversation starter shirts. It helps. I'm telling you, wear them around. Just get used to wearing them all the time. I feel like I'm a walking billboard whenever I wear my shirts. Okay. I even got some shirts with QR codes on the back of them. Okay. So we not playing this year. We turn our everyday gear into promotion. Okay. So last but not least, number 5 is milk your clients. All right. Milk your clients. Okay, I don't know how that sounds or not, but what I mean by that is you may have a client that you might be able to offer some other services to. Okay, so if you have a client, let's say it's a residential client and you walk in, you see their rugs, they usually get their rugs cleaned, give them a quote on cleaning their rugs. Okay, that's just more revenue in your pocket. Then all you have to do is just reach out to a company that specializes in cleaning rugs and partner with them, okay, and have them go out there. You can get their prices. You guys got to negotiate, all right? Negotiate it, and you play the middleman in this, all right? So milk your clients. For apartment complexes, you can always ask them about amenity cleaning, or who cleans the dog station, or who cleans the furniture. on in there. Okay. If you have an apartment complex, you can also ask them if they need any window washing. I did this a couple of times, you know, because I noticed that those windows for the amenities, that's not something that we do on the regular. Like, they need a company for that, to clean the windows front and back, especially when it's a lot of windows. So if I see that it's a lot of windows, then I'll ask them, hey, do you guys you want me to send you a quote for your windows to be clean front and back, you know, professionally? And if they say yes, then I'll partner with a window cleaning company and we will get to the money. Okay, so these are my tips on how to generate more money. I like them all, but milking your clients, you got to realize that you already have built a relationship with your clients. They already know you, so it's not like you're cold calling or anything. Okay, they already know who you are. They already like your service. So why wouldn't they buy whatever else you're offering to them if it's a reasonable price? Okay, so it only makes sense. Milk your clients. All right. This is a short video. I just wanted to get this quick value out there to you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.